TreeCard plans on being the world's first wooden debit card, which will plant trees using your everyday transactions at no additional cost. Yes, it will be free to use, but with all the security and tracking features we've come to expect from modern digital challenger banks. In this short video, I'll be explaining the concept, how it will all work, and how to sign up your support for this exciting new product. As you may know, I'm quite interested in the innovative world of new fintech, especially when it works to make our lives simpler, more transparent, and more ethical. So the concept behind TreeCard instantly got me excited when I first read about it several days ago. TreeCard is working with Ecosia, and it is based on a similar business model. If you aren't already aware, Ecosia is an internet search engine that uses its advertisement revenue to fund reforestation projects around the globe, with over 110 million trees already planted in the past decade. All of this without its users having to spend a single penny. Instead of our everyday internet searches, TreeCard wants to use our everyday spending to do the same. How is this actually possible though? Well, banks charge a tiny transaction fee to merchants online and in store every time you use their cards. But instead of profiting from this, TreeCard plans on passing 80% of that to Ecosia for planting trees. This works out at about one tree for every $60 you spend, but it doesn't cost you or the merchant any more than the cards currently in your wallet. On top of that, instead of the usual harmful plastic those cards are made from, the TreeCard will be constructed from sustainably sourced FSC cherry wood, giving each card a completely unique grain, whilst the necessary plastic core will be made from recycled bottles. TreeCard estimates they can produce more than 300,000 debit cards from just a single tree, meaning their entire customer base can be supplied from only a few trees. Whilst it hasn't yet launched, they claim the TreeCard account will also have many of the innovative and secure features we've come to expect from digital banks, such as spending notifications and tracking, bill splitting, the ability to manage and freeze your card, and integration with Apple, Android, and Samsung Pay. TreeCard will be issued by MasterCard and partnered with a regulated bank, which will provide all the financial infrastructure, offering full banking encryption and cover for deposits up to $250,000. And of course, on top of all of this, it will also keep track of your personal tree planting progress, so you can monitor how much reforestation you have personally contributed to. Currently, there isn't much specific detail on all of these features and how exactly they will look and work, but nonetheless, it's a very promising proposition. It looks like it will be a top-up debit card, more like a prepaid card, meaning you don't have to switch banks but use it alongside your main account. I very much look forward to trying it out and doing a proper review at some point in the future to see if it lives up to these expectations. The fact that TreeCard received early investment from Ecosia and will be powered by it has got me particularly excited and more confident in its aims. As Ecosia have noted themselves, not only is this a potentially huge source of free tree planting revenue, but TreeCard can allow consumers to move away from traditional financial institutions that have historically funded the fossil fuel industry. TreeCard will be launching in the US and a number of European markets over the next year, and much of this will depend on the level of interest and early sign-ups. If you'd like to show your support at no cost and be in line to receive a card, then follow the short sign-up link below in the video description. Each sign-up through my referral link will plant one extra tree, so just by registering your interest, you will be already helping out the planet. Each sign-up before the 1st of December will also receive their physical wooden debit card free. I'm not sure if this means they will later charge a small fee for the physical card, but in any case, it's worth registering your support early to be higher up in the waiting list. I really hope others are as interested in this as I am, and TreeCard can deliver on its promises. I believe it's such a great concept to link our everyday actions with sustainable initiatives. It was only recently I reviewed the currency travel card, which also automatically plants trees, but alternatively does it through the savings it makes you on overseas spending. If widely adopted, organisations and companies like Ecosia, TreeCard, Currency and many more could help divert huge amounts of money already in circulation to planting millions of trees around the globe. And to me, that seems like a pretty great idea.